Today let's talk about the rug pull coming on the Bitcoin. Today I'm going to use the technical analysis and show you what's going on the market, and most important, I'll try to explain some difficult things with simple language, and each one of you, the people who are watching this video, no matter you are beginner or expert, you will understand what I'm talking about over here. So in this video we're going to break down the Bitcoin from the beginning to the end, and everything going to be really very simple. So if you want to repeat my moves, what I'm doing on the markets, you are welcome to jump in our Telegram channel. The link in the description below, jump in. So let's go to the charts right now and let's talk about the Bitcoin and what kind of rug pull is upcoming on the Bitcoin. Basically, let's start to analyze the market on a higher time frame, and let's see what we are seeing on the higher time frame that we can step by step deep dive in a smaller time frame, and there finding some good answers how we can trade and what can we trade. Basically, both last 2 or 3 trades we closed in the profits. All of this information is over here. Here we are posting all of our results, right? So if you want to trade with us, jump in this Telegram club and channel as well. We have 2 channels already, and soon this club will be closed and public will be open for everybody, where I'm sharing my technical analysis over there. So basically right now what we are seeing on the Bitcoin, that we are getting close to major resistance, and let's mark that levels right now, and after let's deep dive in a smaller time frame. So basically on the high time frames we are seeing a massive kind of trick on the Bitcoin, which is I would say will fool everybody, because I think no one is expecting some kind of reversal from this area, because we have some massive pumps, right? But from technical perspective, we are ignoring what other people is saying or what we are thinking, right? Our opinions have nothing connection with those markets. We are listening only technicals and what the technicals is telling us, and basically the technicals looks very bearish and Bitcoin looks really scary. And why? First, confirmation that this movement is not kind of impulse. And what does it mean, the impulse? Impulse begins when begins the new bull market, right? So what is the bull market? Bull market is 5 impulsive wave structure. So let me break down the previous one that you can understand it more clearly. So here we are, you can see like some kind of uptrend, right? This is the previous bull market. So here you can see clearly, here's the wave 1, which has 5 impulsive wave structure in the beginning, because wave 1 is impulsive waves, which has 5 impulsive waves. It's really simple to understand. After we have some kind of deep crazy corrections, right? This correction as a wave 2. Also we can explain that this a lot of people are explaining as a COVID dump, but I don't think that this is COVID dump. This is a usual harmonious wave 2, right? And only after wave 2 we are seeing the massive wave 3. The wave 3 is the most impulsive wave in the 5 impulsive wave structure, and it has the most kind of sharp angle, right? And as you can see, it is, right? And also has the most highest splash of volumes as well. So this is, we can mark as a wave 3, which also with Fibonacci levels also reach its own levels. After we have some correctional waves, and after the last 5th wave, which one also hit its own levels, and everything looks really very well, right? So this is one of the scenario how we can break down, and this is how the bull market begins. Here you can see that impulsive structure, right? When you are seeing such a thing, look at this, as a price is increasing, right? And volumes are increasing as well. This is harmonious, beautiful bull start, right? And what we are seeing currently, like for example, okay, 5 impulsive wave structure finished. Right now, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished, what starts what A, B, C, right? Which also looks very harmoniously. Wave C has the most splash of volumes as well, right? Everything looks very bullish, but bullish and looks harmonious, right? From the 2018 to the 2022, right? 22, everything looks super harmoniously. But one thing what I don't like over here is this movement, because this movement is not looks like impulse, because look at this, this is the impulsive wave structure, this is the impulsive wave structure, you see, and this is not an impulse. This is looks like correction, a correction of some kind of higher time frames. And let me break down how it looks like, right? So here you can see the price is increasing step by step, right? With some kind of deep corrections. Here happen some deep corrections, here happen some corrections, here happen some correction, and after we break that levels. But one thing what we mentioned, that volumes are decreasing and price is increasing. So this is unharmonious market move. It cannot continue forever. So sooner or later we need to see some splash of volumes that this divergence fill up, right? But before it's seeing us, we can say that this is a correction, right? So what kind of correction can be this, right? This is the most askable question right now in YouTube, and everybody is asking, all the traders are asking, what's this move can be? My take for that one is a wrong correction. As you can see, this is ABC, right? Beautiful ABC can turn into wave A. So let me take these waves. So wave A, fully right on the high time frames. After right now we are on a wave B, after wave C, and here is getting really tricky because wave C can go as a lower, or we can create like some kind of bull flag, which will looks like this, right? Or it can create for us the triangle, like something such kind of, right? What we're seeing on the Bitcoin very often, right? This is my take for that one. But what it's really hard to say it will be bull market, or it will be like bull flag, or it's gonna be triangle or some other shapes, right? Patterns. But what can we see? We are seeing that we are going higher and volumes are decreasing. So we as a trader, so what can we do? First of all, from the investment perspective, I don't suggest you to buy right now because we are in an uptrend. In an uptrend is not a really good time to buy. On the corrections, okay, no problem. For example, what is those corrections? First major corrections we have over here from $33,000 to $29,000. Second corrections we are second support we are seeing is from $25,000 to $23,000, right? So those are the areas where you want to invest and accumulate the Bitcoin from that price. That it will looks like then you are doing the right movements, because you always need to buy on the corrections, not the uptrend, because no one knows where the price, anytime it can go all-time highs and every time it can go fall, right? No one knows. But you as a right strategy guy, you must have a correct strategy, and correct strategy in this situation means that you need to buy on the corrections. You don't know how deep it's gonna be. So for example, if you have 100 of your deposit, right? For example, you have a $100, I would say here invest, for example, $20, right? If the price will go lower, here accumulate more $20, right? And like this. Next, our support we are seeing on the, of course, $19,000. We cannot ignore this. Is the hugest support. Also, here is a really good time to accumulate. Here also you can accumulate 20% from this 100, and like this, step by step accumulate the Bitcoin. You don't need to go all in here. You don't need to go all in here or somewhere here. You need to step by step enter. It will be much more correct, and you will do much more right in a long-term perspective, right? You won't regret, and you always must to have some purchase of the money for the maximum, the lower prices, right? Because the prices can hit as the $25,000, as a $19,000, as a $15,000, and even 12, 8, and 5. No one knows, but you always must to have the some purchase of USDT or dollar, or however you buy, doesn't matter, that you can accumulate that Bitcoin, right? So basically what we are seeing, where's our trades right now, what we are expecting on the Bitcoin. First of all, we are getting close to the major resistance right now, and let me open the VRVP. This is one of the best indicator which one I can show you how the resistance and support looks like. Here you can see the small mountains, right? Those mountains and columns called the resistance and support, right? Because from this price range, horizontal volumes, right, around this area, there been the most highest splash of volume. So it means here been the most many orders open. So this is for us typical, like potential resistance in this zone. As you can see, we are getting close to that, and we even touch that stuff and getting close to, right? And as we touch that price, right, we have some kind of pullback, and as you can see, boom, price fall again, we try to break, and again there is rejection. So basically it means that we can right now take our rectangle, beautiful rectangle, right, and mark this area as a resistance, as a global resistance, beautiful resistance, right, over this area, like this, right? So from this area, what we need to see and what we are expecting, first of all, we cannot short the market straightly from this area. So it means on the longer distance, we shouldn't sell here Bitcoins, right? And we shouldn't buy as well. We need more confirmations. It means we need to enter into the zone, right? Give the price should to give us more confirmation as a MACD, as a, for example, volume, some splash of volumes, right? Rejections, fractals, and all other things. So as there will be enough confirmation in these zones, only after that we can short the market on the higher time frame or sell our Bitcoins, right? But before it happens, we hold. We are not doing anything on the higher time frames because we're just getting close to that resistance, right? And basically we are seeing that we have some kind of pullback, but this is not what we want to see. We need to see some beautiful fractal formation over there, and all other indicators should be telling us that yeah, the reversal about to happen. So on the higher time frame, this is potentially where the wave B on the higher time frame can come. Where's the wave B? Look at this. This is wave A on the higher time frame. This is wave B, right? And because we don't know, the wave B can go as to this resistance as it also can touch the even all-time highs and creates for us something such kind of, right? So what can we do? That's why we don't trade just waves, right? We are using other indicators and other theories to identifying where's the possible reversal and possible levels we are expecting, because this wave B not having any levels right now, right? And right now we are using the support, the resistance, and around that resistance we are counting right now and we are expecting. So I would say this is the zone of high attention, and from this area we can see some massive pullback, right? So right now let's try to deep dive on a smaller time frame, and let's try to break down exactly this last impulse and how it looks like and what we can expect and how can we trade, because there is happening massive tricks, and I will say rug pull most likely will happen over there, and let me explain you why. Let's deep dive on the 5-hour time frame and turn off the VRP. We don't need this indicator anymore, and clean the global scenario as well. We don't need this anymore because right now we're trying to break down on a smaller time frame. How these movements looks like? This is beautiful harmonious impulse, which you can see that the volumes over here start to increase, and price as well supports and increase. But what we are seeing on the last period already, we are seeing divergence already, because over this area the price is increasing, volumes are decreasing. This is not beautiful. We need to see some kind of pullback. We need to see massive splash of volumes and see the harmonious growth that the volumes and price is increasing. So right now we are expecting some kind of correction on the higher time frame, and how it looks like. Let me break down by waves, everything you will understand right now. Here we are. Here you can say, here's the wave 1, 2, here's the wave 3 on the global scenario, after the wave 4, after wave 5. This wave 4 we are expecting, and the main reason why we're expecting this wave 4, because we are seeing this third wave has all confirmation that this is wave 3, because one, we are seeing the most splash of volumes on the wave 3 as well, you can see, right? And we can see structure of 5 impulsive subwaves on this wave 3. Here's the wave 1, 2, here's subwave 1, subwave 2, subwave 3 of the wave 3, right? Subwave 4 of wave 3, and subwave 5 of wave 3. So we can see beautiful 5 impulsive wave subwaves structure into that impulsive wave. So basically this is indicates us that we are ready to do another fourth wave, right? And basically I would say a lot of people getting really tricky in the Elliott's wave, they are always make these mistakes and get trapped into the subwave 4 and global wave 4. A lot of people treat as the subwave 4 as a global wave 4. Do you understand? And this is why everybody thinks that here looks like the scenario looks like this. Let me clean this scenario. So here's the wave 3, 4, and 5 on the global scenario, right? But this is not, it is not right. This is not correct. So basically after this, people are expecting some kind of new impulse, 1, 2, and 3, right? So this is wrong. The most correct to here breakdown, here's the wave 3. Right now we are expecting wave 4. Wave 4 is the most manipulative wave in 5 impulsive wave structure, and the most long one, right? And the most difficult to trade actually, right? So this is why I'm expecting the rug pull on the Bitcoin, and let me explain how this rug pull will looks like. So here we understand that right now we are in a fourth wave, most likely. what we know about the wave 4. Wave 4, first of all, we have a conditions that this is wave 4. This is correctional structure, or it's gonna be right. Here's the wave A, B, and C. It is very rare happen on a Bitcoin. Most likely wave 4 is always the wrong correction. So this is why we're expecting wrong correction means wave A, B, C, D, and E. Something such kind of. Or there is a possibility that this will create some kind of triangle as well, right? Here's the wave A, B, C, D, and E. And only after that, this is wave will be harmonious triangle over there, right? And only after that, the price can hit the fifth wave, right? This fifth wave. Something such kind of is possible. But we all know, and all my subscribers knows that it's very often happening that triangles are very, very manipulative, because all the brokers and all the exchanges and the big whales knows that the people are trading the classical instruments on the trading. So what we are seeing usually, we are seeing massive rug pulls on the Bitcoin. So basically, what we are seeing, actually here we can see that a very beautiful triangle is forming, which one we are actually trading, right? Here's the old results, how we trade this this triangle. We are in a profit, and one of the difficult to trade actually, but we still trade, right? So basically right now we are seeing the triangle. So what does it mean? After the triangle, this is how it looks like. We are seeing the impulse, right? After we are seeing the price squeeze into this triangle, and only after that the continuation of this trend, right? But on the Bitcoin, most likely happening such kind of things. The price creates some kind of triangle, right? Here A, B, C, D, and E. Here, a lot of people opening the long positions, a lot of loading their positions and start to long over this area, and whales know about that. So what they're doing, they're doing massive wash out all of these stop losses. No matter you will put stop losses over here, 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 or over here, they will wash all of this 100% liquidation for everybody, right? And only after that, there will be the massive upcoming trend, and it will create the wave 4. This is what I'm expecting. This is why a lot of people got most likely will be tricked into this triangle. So this is why I'm trying to avoid to trading right now, and I'm more likely to expecting the levels for wave 4. So basically, first of all, what is the condition for wave 4? Is wrong correction, divergence between price and volumes. So we are seeing over here already that volumes are step by step increasing, right? Over here price is increasing and price is also falling. So here we are, the volumes are decreasing, right? And price is increasing, right? This is typical condition for wave 4. One more thing, what is the levels for wave 4, where we are expecting if the wave 4 happen that we will touch its own levels. We take a Fibonacci, put on the beginning of the wave 3, end of the wave 3, and the levels from 0.3 to 0.7, right? And 0.5 to 0.6 is most likely where the prices come. So this is for us the zone of high attention. From this area, we're expecting some kind of bounce, right? So we need to enter this area, right? From $31,000 to $43,000, right? And only after that, we need to see some formation of the wave 1, after formation wave 2, and here we will load our long positions if there will be enough conformations, right? So here we need to see fractals, formation of wave 1, 2, and after massive this wave 3, we will take some longs over there. So if you want to trade with me, welcome, jump in our Telegram club and Telegram channel. There I will post how to trade this wave 5 when the time will come. So basically this is what we're expecting. We are expecting the wave 4. Here's the wave 4, right? And wave 5, something such kind of, right? So basically this is what we're gonna trade, and right now it's getting very, very difficult to trade, and I highly suggest you to lower your risks, lower your expectations, and when you are entering into this stage of the market, when the market trying to do massive global corrections, right, the market's doing some unbelievable moves, like they're washing out and bulls and bears and bulls and bears, like price is doing some crazy movement. So this is why, guys, do not trade more than you are accepting to lose, right? You're ready to lose, just do the proper risk management and do the proper enters, right? This is also very, very important. So basically this triangle, which one is forms right now on the Bitcoin, you can even screenshot it and say for yourself, right? I'm expecting some kind of massive pull or rock pull from here, because a lot of people are longing over here, something such kind of maybe we're gonna see on the Bitcoin, right? We need to wash out all of these longs. So basically, for what the wave 4 it is, usually wave 4 is to sell those people who bought, for example, the whales bought from you cheaper, right? They pumped the price higher, and right now is the stage of the distribution. And distribution, it means they're step by step, take your stop loss for the retail traders, and no matter retailers or now the market getting really tired, because the wave 4 is the most long wave in 5 impulsive wave structure and most manipulative wave. So this is why, guys, be careful to trade right now, lower your expectations, go outside, touch some grass and trade carefully. So this is why I'm step by step trying to, as I see some profits, I just take them. As I see some losses, I just cut it, right? I don't feel shy about that, because the wave 4 is a very manipulative wave. So do not blame yourself if you're doing something wrong in a wave 4. It's typical, it's usual. Just lower your expectations and lower your risks, and everything will be fine. So if you like my analysis, if you like the way I look at the markets, you're welcome to subscribe to our channel. First, what I want to really remind you, if you have any questions which one you have on the Bitcoin or about the trading or something like that, you can ask in the comment section. I'll try to answer each one of you, and most of our subscribers knows that I'm answering all of the questions for free and giving the full answers, right? So if you have any question, ask in the comment section as well. If you want to learn something, trading, investments, how to trade, where to invest, and etc, 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 subscribe to our channel, press that likes, put some comments, join our Telegram channels and clubs. Everything is for free right now. Really great deals for now. Also, I opened the educational program. You can check in our Telegram club as well. Over here, I write it. All the information is over here. My contact I put it over here. You can contact me and we can talk about all of the things. People who already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. It motivates me a lot. Thank you for each one of your likes, comments, this support and everything. It motivates me a lot, and I want to push more forward, and etc, etc, etc. So I got a little bit ill these days, right? I have some cold, but trying to make for you crazy cool content as well. So your likes and comments will really help, and it's really appreciated. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos, and catch you somewhere. Bye.